Hello YouTube laser enthusiasts. This is Chris from Doha, Qatar. Look what I got in the mail from Starlight Photonics on eBay. Look at this. Kind of big, but it's got nice goodies in it. They taped it up for me. I'm going to open it for the first time. And sorry for the delay on this. When I start learning how to do videos better, I'll be able to cut this kind of thing out. All right, let's see if I can get it open. I better take those off. It's not going to work out. Anticipation. All right. Voila. Look at that. That is cool. These are a bunch of those 405, 410 nanometer near UV laser diode assemblies that they've been selling on eBay, and this is what they're coming out of, this large engine. There used to be a polygonal mirror in here that would spin, and it would do a raster line for some kind of a video screen of some kind. I don't know if it was a gaming machine or what. But look at all of those. That's 20 of those diodes. These diodes are capable, although rated, I believe they're rated pretty low, 350 milliwatts. Maybe I'm wrong, don't take my word on it, but they're capable of being pushed to 1.5 watts without dying. Some guys push them closer to 2 watts, but they don't have a long life up there. So I think I'll run these at maybe a 1.25 watts each, just to be conservative. Well, what they have is these little, you can't quite see it, but there's right here in the front, there's a little block of glass, and there's a little gearing with a little motor that shifts that block around so that all the beams will line up over one another. Now, what I don't understand is what all of these units are here yet. My best guess, because these are already collimated out of the individual laser diode assemblies, is that they might be some kind of beam steering window to further steer the beam to the one converging point. I don't really see how they would be adjusted to do that though, so that might not be what's going on. But they each have a piece of glass in them. And looking at them real closely, they don't appear to be lenses, just pieces of glass, which a steering window would be. They all converge through that little slot on the end of the top of the screen into this lens assembly. There's a mirror here, shoots over apparently to hit this mirror, and then through here into this polygonal rotating mirror assembly that used to be in there. What this is, I'm not sure yet, this piece. And I guess a best guess would be it's a pickup sensor that some of the energy on this turning mirror gets out, comes into this, comes through this, into this. So it's probably some kind of power leveling sensor of some kind. I don't know what else it would be. I'll know more later. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. These are listed on eBay. I believe the price for one was like $377. He doesn't have most of his stock for these on eBay. Most of his stock is not listed there, and because of that, you can go to his online store and buy it directly from him. I believe he'll probably accept a better price than what he offers on eBay. Okay, there it is. Thought you might think that was pretty cool. And I've got one that I'm gonna keep as it is. I got a second one that I very well might use the parts for another project. Cheers.